Excited to work on the dashboard. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will start with the dashboards, and meanwhile we will try to be work on the. Today we are not going. Today we are going to be work on the very basic dashboards. Not in the terms of customized dashboards. It's normally understanding about the dashboard objects to create very basic charts, basic dashboard. Let's suppose before going to the dashboard, we have to be create, some more charts, like an example pie chart, simple sales region. Go to show me, create a pie chart, turn it to the entire view. Again, click on T. Again, try to be coloring part, give borders. Again, try to be give, rename as the pie chart. Now, again, I created pie chart. Now I want to create a bar chart. Simple. Try to click on the profit, click on the category, try to be create a send to the entire view, click on T. Now try to be your borders, change the colors. Now go for the right and rename as bar chart. Now again try to be create a scatter, just 1 second. Now we create a column chart. Again segment sales, click on T. Try to be, the label should be format. Go to label over here. Try to send it to the entire view. Go for the borders. Try to change the colors. Now done with that. So try to be rename as the what column chart. Now again one more chart I want to create. Which chart I want to be create? Tell me. Okay, let's suppose we will create area chart. Simple drag region. Okay. This time we will choose something different. Okay. What we choose? State by profit. No state. Okay. Mm, I will choose the region only. Remove the state. I will create hierarchical structure chart. Okay. Now try to be click on the profit into the labels. Now this label should be percentage. Go to the profit. Again go to the table calculation. Quick table calculation. Percentile. Not percentile. Percentage of total. Okay. Percentage of total. Now which is the area is covering west and east. Okay. Try to be rename as the what is the chart? Tell me what is the chart name? Tell me. Anybody can tell me what is the chart name? This chart name. It is nothing but tree map. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Three
Yes.
minutes.
Okay. So this tree map telling that RLK structure of the data. With the help of tree map, I will get to know that west and east, I'm getting more, profit. If you easily understand, right? West and east, I'm getting a more profit, where I'm getting 60% of my profit, I'm getting west and east with the help of tree map. Okay. So we're done with the one chart, two chart, three, four, five. Okay, that's more than enough. Now, dashboard. Come to the dashboard. Before coming to the dashboard, now one by one, um, try to be read these objectives. Anybody?
For
I
shown
will
the
Try to be read the objectives of dashboard. These objects.
Example, vertical, text, image, web page, blank, navigation, download, extension, as data.
Okay, that's great to hear me. So I ask you one question because the I don't want to go for most theoretical part. Whenever you know you are creating a house, whenever you are whenever we are creating the construction, right? Any house for the any building, what is important for that? Tell me. Whenever we build the any house or
Blueprint,
any yeah,
blueprint,
yeah, what?
drawing,
Foundation,
architectural drawing.
Okay,
foundation
somewhere.
base.
Okay, so base is important, right? So whenever we're creating the buildings or a residential complex, again, whichever the house, personal house, any house, we need the base columns. It's very important. It means blocks. Blocks is important, right? Blocks and base. That is mean nothing but base. If your base is strong, then house will be stronger, and it will be you know it will be more than 50 years. So same like when you're working on the dashboard, there was a two important objects, that is nothing but horizontal and vertical. If you see, this is the horizontal and vertical. These are the two objects where for the base, for the dashboard base. I don't think that this is example right or not, right or wrong, but from my perception, it says that working on the dashboard, these two objects, right, is a base for the dashboard. If you go to the presentation, go for the my PPT presentation, this shows the dashboard object. If you see this one, this is nothing but horizontal, right? If you go for my Tableau, first I choose a tile. Hmm? Now try to be horizontal. Horizontal means this way it's showing, right? So first drag the horizontal. Now again drag one more horizontal. If you see one, two, one, two. See, this is because it's showcasing this way, right? If you go here, check my that this is this way showing, right? If you go here, like horizontally it's showcasing, right? One, two, one, two. If you see now, now this is the two main blocks. Means there are the two containers. This is a one container. This is second container. This is the horizontal container. This is also horizontal container. What if I will add the vertical container? Just drag the vertical container into the in the corner side. One, two, three. You can also add the same vertical container. To drag the vertical container, just come down slowly and drag it. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. How many containers we have? One, two, three, four. Am I right? One,
Yes.
two, three, four. Now, where you can actually, select the containers. This is nothing but container. If you see remove container, if you remove the container, it will be removed. That if I remove this, the container will be removed. If you see again, control Z automatically restore that. Okay. So now, first of all, I choose the patch right here. Okay. So this cells I don't need. Remove this. Again, this is I don't need that. Okay. Again, I use the scatter plot into here. I don't need this for this. cluster 2. Now same way I use a bar chart, same way I use a tree map. I don't need this. If you want this, you can use it, or else you can this use the deselect that, or you can remove directly. Now I don't want the profit as well. I just want to be delete the no, I don't want to delete the container. Now I just try to be fix it correct size. Now now I'll try to be go for the layout. I will try to be give some borders. Again I'll try to give borders. Again I'll try to give borders. Now according to my the padding is very high, right? The padding, if you see that there's a lot of distances here. Now now uh this is the 4, 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 right? This is the 4, this is the not 4, right? I want to be click on the 4. Okay, now perfectly, it's focusing perfectly. Now 523, okay, 8 400 500. The position should be same as well. The position xy and size wh means w means weight, and h means height. Now okay, this is looks fine. That is not an issue because we are working on the initial dashboard. Everything is fine. Let's I want to be add text. Okay, what is the dashboard? This is nothing but I want to name as sales dashboard. Okay, sales dashboard. Try to be bold. Try to be increase the size, or you want to be go with the 20. Try to be middle, and you can change the color as well. If you I will choose this color. Now just drag into the in the middle. That's perfect. Now I just rename as sales dashboard. Apart from things, I can do lot of things. I use the horizontal, I use the vertical, I use the text. Now I can choose the image where I can choose the logo. Okay, let's suppose the Apple logo I want. Okay, let's suppose a Chrome. Where is my Chrome? Okay, right, Apple logo, image. Which one I want to use? I want to use this. Save image as. Okay, save it. Go here. Choose the image. Now I want to be fit image, and okay, that is apply. Is okay. Now try to be reduce the size. Now if you want to be even if you want to be go with this middle, then you can go with the middle as well. But initially what we do now, we will you can choose you can choose as per adjustment. If you want to be go with the middle as well, you can go with the middle, like like we can the reduce the size as well. Like suppose I can reduce the size in the middle as well, if you see that. But if you go with the increase the size as well, you can some more the size increases, but it will be not looking more perfect because sales dashboard, it will be middle as well, not in the on the corner. It will be not give a perfect picture, right? Now I will go with the corner as well. Now remain the same. just try to be give, lay, go for this, give border. Again, go for this, give border. So this is a basic dashboard I want to building. I'm trying. Now again, what I will try to be hide it. Done with the horizontal, done with the vertical, done with the text, done with the image. Okay. Now what we can add more? Web page we can add, blank we can add, navigation download we can add it. Initially we can add the Apple website page. If you go here, I can add the apple.com. I will try to be reduce the size. Okay, just one second. What if I do now? We will try to tightly enter the Apple website, apple.com. Now this is the website, right? Which is we will try to searching, right? So directly copy, enter. Okay. Now this is the icon which is very low. If you go drag this, again drag this, you will see it will showcase in the perfect way, right? Now initially I don't want the web page. Initially I will go with the very basic things where we can try to be include that. Now just one second. Again what we can add it now. Okay. Okay, this is the which is we created simple dashboard. Again, we will try to be add more things where we try to be cover a lot of different things. But right now, we will try to be cover very in terms of very basic dashboard. You see, it looking good, but simple basic dashboard. Here is a logo of Apple. It means Apple sales dashboard. This is a pie chart. There's a tree map. There's a bar chart. There's scatter plot. How is it looking? How is it looking? Tell me.
Good.
Good.
Looking good.
Okay, that's my really thank you for the suggestion. If you go with the another dashboard, create dashboard too. And now the same way you can create it. Now we will add web page. Let's suppose horizontal. Again, try to be vertical here. Again, I will try to be add web page here. The same which is copy pasted, right? Try to be apple.com. Now if you see that, I can scroll it. The actual Apple website. If you see. Now I will try to be, use the image format where I can add the, one Apple Store logo. Okay. Okay. Apple App Store. I use this. Try to download this. Save image as. Click on the save. Go here. Where is my dashboard? My dashboard is here. Try to be choose image. Apple App Store. Fit image. Click on OK. Now what I want try to be in the center, right? Now you can use the navigation as well. Hmm? Okay. Now one more thing we can use the, what we can use the text as well. Okay, I write Apple Store online. Okay, I'll try to be bold. I'll try to be 22. Again, try to be, choose the color the same which is I want. Try to be the middle. Try to be work on that. Again, increase the size. Again, increase the size. Decrease the size. You can increase the size as well. Now this is the Apple App Store, right? It should be middle, not in the. Now, if we go here, we can actually, with the help of the this dashboard, right? There is an Apple Store online where I try to purchase the phones. If you see, let's click on that. If you see, I'm getting everything which is I want. If you see, it's showcasing the colors and 100 million songs and everything. This is a home pad. I'll click on the buy. If you see, it's asking for the how much quantity you want. Does that mean I created the dashboard where you can actually purchase the Apple Store online? How is it looking like? Perfect. Now this is
Yes.
Apple Store. This is the really amazing thing, right? If you go with the don't need a website, don't need anything. How is it? How is my idea? There is a no need a website. Just drag the website here. Website URL is Apple Store online, Apple App Store. Where actually you can buy the what you want. Let's suppose I want homepage meaning. I choose the color yellow and I choose the add to back. That's complete. And one more thing I want to cover, which is I as of now I covered the horizontal, vertical, text, image, web page. Previously, I'm trying to cover the web page because the area is small, right? That's why you're not able to see the perfect web page. Now you're able to see the perfect web page, right? If you see, it's looking perfect. Any difficulties? So we cover with the these five objects: horizontal, vertical, text, image, web page. Any doubts in that? This is dashboard
No
I
doubts.
created because this dashboard I created because of web page. Because you want to be understand about what is a web page and how to be work on that. Okay, so this is a basic dashboard which is I created. If you want to be name as basic dashboard, you can use the basic sales dashboard. Okay, I rename as basic sales dashboard. Go to the presentation mode. It's showcasing the basic sales dashboard, pie chart, tree map, bar chart, scatter plot. Now, where you can add the blanks as well. Suppose I want to be try to be covering the blank. Okay, okay. So I can add the blanks as well, which is I want to be figure out that. Which is blanks is mostly used the cover up the area. So it depends on the particular dashboards where you use the blanks. Okay. Now I'm talking about the navigation, right? Which is the I use the navigation the dashboard too. You see, I use the navigation for the first of all, what is a navigation? Anybody can tell me? Hello? Navigation it means it showcasing that where you want to be go, which page you want to be go. Okay, if I click on the navigation button, go for the edit button, it will showcase that navigate to. So it's asking that you want which page you want to be go. When I click on that, we will getting on the bar chart, Basic sales dashboard, dashboard to pie chart, tree map, column chart, scatter plot. Now, what is my initially idea? So whenever I'm clicking on the second dashboard, right? So whenever I'm clicking on the first dashboard, right, it will automatically relocate for the first dashboard. Let's suppose I choose basic sales dashboard. Again, text button, right? I use text button. I write as a go to basic or else go to sales dashboard. You can go as a basic dashboard, basic sales dashboard, but is it long? I will write very short basic sales dashboard. Okay, go to sales dashboard. I want Tableau board. Border should be use a very small border. Try to be applied. Try to be okay. But this color I don't want. Color color I don't want. I choose this color. Click on apply, click on OK. Go for presentation mode. When go to sales dashboard, I'm directly going to the sales dashboard or not. Again, go for dashboard 2. When I'm clicking on the go to sales dashboard, it navigating the sales dashboard. If you see dashboard 2, when I'm clicking on the go to sales dashboard, right? When I'm clicking on that, it navigating to the sales dashboard because of the navigation, right? So when dashboard 2, what is the dashboard 2 telling that? When you navigate to the one page to another page, I'm telling to the Tableau, when I'm clicking on this navigation button, it should be go with that particular page. Now I'm clicking on this. Now go to sales dashboard. It showcases the sales dashboard. You see, I will try to be increase the size because it is not showcasing the perfect dashboard. I try to be into the center. Apple should be center and just try to be increase that. Now perfectly is looking right. Now go to sales dashboard. Click on that. It is not be work. Go for the presentation mode. Go to sales dashboard. Sales dashboard is here. Okay. So we will cover with the horizontal, vertical, text, image, web page, blank, navigation. Understand about this? Anything, any difficulties you facing to understand that? Any doubts are there to be? Now you can ask me. No more silence, only asking question. Everybody's silence, right?
Yeah, we are following.
You're following. That's great. Others, what they are doing, they're sleeping. I think everybody's sleeping apart from you.
No doubts.
No, no
Okay,
doubts so
no
Uh,
far. No
doubts.
doubts.
Okay, that's
what's the
but
purpose of,
yeah,
what's the purpose of blank object in
blank
dashboard?
object basically, where we will try to be showcase the filters, where in the minimum area,
Okay.
showcase the filters, showcase the navigation button, showcase the in that particular area where we don't add the containers, right?
Okay.
Where you can actually try to be showcase the space as well. Suppose in a particular area you want to be showcase the space, then you can directly add the blank navigation. Like suppose I want to add the blank navigation, a blank page into these two spaces. I try to be in the middle. I try to be in the same the area which is captured.
Mm,
Now you will try to be now which is try to be in the middle stage. Because somewhere we are try to be adding the filters to use this blank page, and somewhere try to be use the space as well. It's suppose try to be more about the filters and space. Okay.
yeah. And is there any limit to the objects which we can use in the dashboard?
No limit.
Or yeah.
No limit. No limit. There is a no limit kind of dashboard to be how many, how many dashboards how many containers you want to add. Obviously, there is space is there, right?
Yes.
Particular space. Somewhere, some kind of clients, they want space in that. Let's suppose the blank page, I will add this again, I reduce the space. I try to be made the perfect stage. Now, speed, there is a particular space is there, right? Because it showcases the, particular space in the each and every chart. We want to add the blank here as well. Just drag into this. Well, yeah, now if you see the particular space is looking like that, right? Whether you want to be go with the some more the higher, some more the lower. Now if you see the particular perfect space is there, right?
Yeah, so these spaces means that it's considered as the blank objects only.
Yeah, definitely. And in that blank only you can add the filters. You can add the lot of the things where you uh filters as well, again navigation as well, again the downloading the navigation again. Apart from the filters, you will be add the uh panes again. Again, it showcase the mini icons. You can add that. But somewhere the clients is the use the blanks where you can showcase the space and filters, which is now actually showcasing the space, right? If you clearly observe how the space is allocating that, you can same way the add the text blank into the in the downward side. You see, just drag into the very slow level button. Now, if you see that, how is it space will be covered in the perfect capture area? Because initially, without using the blank, I put it into the four charts. Now using the blanks as well, I put it in the four charts. Which one is better? Now you tell me. But I know that the space is the over. You can reduce the space. You can reduce the space. You see that? You can reduce the space as according that. Let's suppose now again you can correctly categorize that. Now go for the layout. You can try to be padding. It should be same remain same. Now again after the padding, right? It should be the width and height should be remain same. That is the more over the categories, right? Let's suppose let's suppose I want to add the position and width and height same, then it will be automatically showcasing the perfect area. If you want to reduce the size as well, I just want to reduce the size, let's suppose, because trying to be showcasing the more space, which is the trying to be high. I try to be minimize this. It's really over than that. First, try to be uh, width and height should be same. Okay, just 1 second. Now, what is the height for the 415 233, right? Again, 415 233. See, there is an item hierarchy. Getting more space. Now, which is this more space is covered, right? Try to be more in this perfect stage. Now is looking perfect or space is more captured? Tell me now. The space is really in the equal parts, right? Not in the more or not in the less. Which one is better? Previous is better or now is better? Anybody can tell me?
The previous, I
Yeah.
think it's better.
Yeah.
The previous.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That is not an issue. So I just telling that using the blanks, using the blanks where we can actually creating a space. That is I want to tell you that. Okay.
And in navigation object means it can navigate to external URLs also, or means internally to any dashboards or.
No, any URLs, any navigation is nothing but go to the page, right? Which page you want to pick over that.
Okay, so in that we can go to the means external websites also.
It's definitely if you go here, creating one more dashboard. Try to dashboard, right? Try to add the web page, whichever you want to be add the URL, you can add it.
No,
Let's
not
suppose,
by using web page, by using navigation.
let's suppose delete this. What are you asking? Tell me.
By using the
So,
navigation, yeah.
okay, just go to the edit button. Okay, we are getting using both only image button and text button. We don't have a URL option as that. Again, if you see that, use the image button or text button. Is asking for the navigate which you want to be navigate. Let's suppose I choose the basic sales dashboard, right? And let's suppose I choose a tree map. Again, I click on OK. Basic sales to the tree map. Click on apply. Click on OK. Go to here. Now, what is showcasing? Tell me.
Stream up.
Let's suppose go for the present. Go for the remove the presentation mode. Go for the dashboard too. Again, hit the button. Again, tree map pool. Let's suppose scatter plot. I choose it. Apply. OK. Again, go for presentation mode. Now, which is showcasing? Tell me.
Yeah, scatter plot.
So what do you understand about navigation about this? Navigation is nothing but is showcasing that which page you want to be go, which page you want to be selected. Understand?
Okay, yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank
Because we
you.
page or
don't have
dash page or
uh,
dashboard.
yeah, yeah,
Which page or dashboard you want to go on?
yeah, definitely. That's the
Okay.
perfect answer as well. So that is the main which is the content. But when come to the web page URL, which is you want to be add the location, which URL you want to be, you can add it. Done with the horizontal, done with the vertical, done with the text, image, web page, blank, navigation. Now go with the download extension as data. Okay. So when talking about the download extension as data, right? But ask data is totally AI tool. Is it not working right now? I understand that. But is it working for the latest version? And anybody can tell me what is ask data? For the because it totally build up AI tool. Let's suppose ask data requires connect to Tableau server. Choose server side and choose right from the contact context menu. Now ask data is nothing but when I'm telling that Tableau, hey Tableau, I want to choose the I want to choose the sales again region. Can you please with the help of this one dimension measure, can you please create the column chart? It will create it. If you see, but now initially I'm doing this, which is I'm doing. But when you use this ask data, right? Go here dashboard. This ask data, right? It automatically do and give to the information as well. It's moreover the AI tool. Suppose I'm telling to the ask data, hey, can you please build the dashboard? In the dashboard, can you please create a four worksheets? In that four worksheets, one worksheet is the, um, uh, bar chart, second is column chart, third is pie chart, fourth is the scatter plot, and which dimensions you want to be select, just mention it. And automatically Tableau will create this all charts and dashboard within a fraction of 1 second. But moreover, that feature is going to be, much more populated. But now recently they added this ask data feature. But it will be maybe, risk to the lose the job of for the BI developers, because everybody, you know if AI will done, then what we do at the developer, right? It is ask data is nothing but, it's a perfectly AI tool, AI built tool, where AI actually create the dashboards and worksheets. You don't have to create the, dashboards and worksheets. AI will create and give to the, showcase to the you. Okay. So now I'm going to explain about the download button. So first of all, okay, just 1 second. Download into the year part. Now try to be edit the button. You can better way, you can remove this, go for the basic sales dashboard, because we have a lot of space. Try to be download this button into the year. Again, try to be into the center. Now go for the edit the button. I want to export the PDF image crosspoint PowerPoint. I want to export it to PowerPoint. Now, which is you want, text button or image button? I want image button. Okay. So I go with the Google. I type download PowerPoint. In a image. Which one is good? Or else you can just remove the PowerPoint, remove this, download images. Okay. Just one second. It's showcasing relevant images. Now, right, download PowerPoint images. Let's see. Now download images. Which one I want to pick that? Which one is good? This one is good. Okay. Try to be save images. Now go for the dashboard. We already choose the images button. Go for the choose. Click on that. Open this. Now choose a border on the some more light border. Okay. Now background should be, if you want to choose a background. Now it's more than that. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now go for presentation mode. Better what we do now, we will remove this borders, because it's not showcasing relevant. Click on the now. When I'm clicking on the this download, right, it will showcasing the book PPT X. When I'm going to the save, the PPT presentation has been saved. If you see, go here, book one PPT X. The open that now, which is I downloaded, the same is opening, right? Book one sales dashboard, which is I just downloaded in the PowerPoint. I'm right or not? Which is I just downloaded. I just remove this. Now Just if you go with the edit the button, remove the PowerPoint to the go with the PDF format right now. Click on apply, click on OK. Go for presentation mode. This is the download button, right? Click on this. It's asking that entire workbook or active sheets. I want entire workbook. Click on OK. Where you want to be download book one PDF. Click on this. So done with that. Now if you see, each and every chart is showcasing that. When come down, this is a pie chart. This is a bar chart. This is a column chart. Because we choose the all entire charts and dashboard. This is nothing but tree map. Now if you see sales dashboard. This is a way we can actually try to download the uh, whichever we want, either the cross tab, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, whichever which is suitable for based on the requirement. Understand right, what I'm telling?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood. Understood.
Why I especially choose the download image option, right? You can easily understand that this is a download option where I want to download that. So
Yes.
done with the blank navigation download ask data. One is remaining, that is nothing but extensions. Extensions probably we are not going to use at an all time, but I will tell you about the extensions. Tableau, it gives the a lot of options where you can actually add the extensions. If you see that, it will loading. Now is asking that which extensions you want. Like you want for the sandbox, you want by the build by Tableau Salesforce, again free. If you scroll that, a lot of extensions we have. See, again dashboard is 2.0, again intelligence narrative for BI, again UI path connector, again quick what if Tableau, data writer, again bar race. We have a lot of extensions out there. If you go for the my, we have a lot of extensions out there. Now I have extensions for the Grammarly and video download, right? This is for the Chrome extensions, right? If you see Chrome extensions, the same way Tableau can give the extensions for the dashboards where you can actually auto refresh, where you can write back, where you can image map filter, where you can know super tables you want. Whichever the extension you want to choose that you can choose, but it is paid, not for the free. But somever some kind of extensions are free, but not all extensions, right? Okay. Uh, so this is from my side for the extensions. So this is the moreover the into the which is suitable from the requirement. Now I downloaded one extension. It's asking that select charts. Then I choose pie chart, scatter plot, bar chart. Now and again tree map as well. Now select columns. It's already covered. Configure, export all, save changes. Which is one extension is free, which is I downloaded right now. The information lab. Export all. It take time, but it showcases the result. But this is the which is we are done that, we done with the only basics, okay, not in the in-depth information on the dashboard, customizing the dashboard. Today what we are learn, we just learn on the basic dashboard, how to create that, and we learn about dashboard objects, totally how many dashboard objects and how to use that. It take a little bit time, but it gives the, configure that. Okay, it taking a lot of time. Ignore this, but you understand about the concept, right? What is extension? That is mostly important, right? Okay, now it's working. If you go here, now it's working. I just try to be remote. Just try to be increase the same size, which is I want. Now perfect is this. Just one more center is it? One more center. Okay, now perfect. Go for presentation mode. The same with download option is there, right? I just beside in the downside, I just mentioned export all. And clicking on the export all, it will showcase the export all XLX. It is that mean I'm just downloading the data, which is the dashboard data, into the Excel format. It is creating the downloading export all XLX. Done with that. Now if you see, we're getting in a one file export all XLX. Click on this. Now if you see, whatever the information is there in the chart, right? We come to the Excel, scatter plot, bar chart, tree map. If you see, how is it amazing? Because I selected only these four charts, pie chart, scatter plot. It gives the information into the Excel, into the chart to the Excel because of the extensions, right? Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Because I use the extension is doing that, you in this chart information, what is there, right? Is just gathering these all information and converting into the Excel format. If you see customer name, again pie chart, central, C, south, it's really amazing when you want to be do in the fastest way, try to be work on that. This is a way we can use the extensions as well. Okay.
Then is there the information lab extension which you used means it's
Mm.
one type of extension.
Yeah, it's one type of extension. We have a n number of extensions. Some of the extensions are paid, and some of little bit extensions, some little bit extensions are free, like lab which is utilizing, right? It is nothing but export all extension, which is I use right now in front of you. So you can use this kind of an extensions to the convert from the chart to the Excel sheet. Initially, I'll choose the four charts, but it giving information to the in-depth from the Excel sheet. If you go for the, this chart, go for the scatter plot, right? It telling actually the customers as well. Is it really amazing, right? It telling the customers as well, customer names as well. That what, making a big impact when go with the meaningful insights. So you should understand about the each and every basic features what we have. Okay. So it's going to be, I thought I will try to be covered in the half-an-hour session, but again, it will be go for the 1.5 hour session. But no worry. But at the main motive is that you have to be understand and try to be learn and try to be, useful to those things which you learn. That is main motive. Okay. Okay. Let's wind up the meeting. I understand it's normally it's more than 10:04. So I'm so sorry for that. But how is the session today? How you like this session? And you want to be improve that? I can improve this.
It was
It
good.
was
It was good.
it was good.
Okay. So thank you so
It was
much
the
for
best.